are pleased to show you the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.